This spacious and sunny home at 7 Plant Street in historic Newburyport, Massachusetts, is located on a quiet side street. Offering in-law or office space, it has great flexibility. The main house offers 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, 2 fireplaces, as well as a custom kitchen, and it's perfect for an extended family or a buyer in need of additional space. With gleaming hardwood floors, large windows, and a great floor plan with a fireplace den adjacent to the kitchen, which has large sliders to the level backyard, which could easily accommodate a swimming pool. To the left of the main house is a spacious guest or in-law apartment with a separate entry, kitchen, 1.5 bathrooms, and a first-floor bedroom. The 3 large spaces in the loft area on the second level offers loads of possibilities, such as a great art studio or children's playroom. This convenient location is close to a commuter route, Maudsley State Park, as well as nearby shopping. Newburyport, Massachusetts is a city with a long and rich history. A city where historic preservation has been a key to economic revitalization. A city whose foundation is based on maritime trade. And a city who values its historic sites. Annual events such as the Yankee Homecoming bring the entire town alive every summer. Boutiques, cafes, coffee shops, theaters, antique shops, bookstores, import shops, and food emporiums dot the landscape and the lively downtown area. All over town you can see shipyards, as well as the salt box and Victorian homes, federal mansions and colonial houses that are today's cherished homes. Visitors are drawn from all over New England and the world to this seaport rich in history and beauty. Numerous outdoor spaces and parks provide recreational opportunities in all seasons. From cross-country skiing and snowshoeing in the winter to horseback riding and biking trails. Nearby Plum Island provides amazing bird watching and miles of pristine beaches, as well as the Parker River National Wildlife Refuge. And best of all, it's just an hour train ride into Boston's North Station.